Hello and welcome back. This is the state of the Vespa right now. It's time for paint and I'm going to do this myself because I decided that I don't need a show paint or anything because I'm going to use this going on gravel roads and everything. So all the rust is removed and it looks okay. It's not 100% good, but good enough for me, and it's better than before. And so I'm going to paint this. It's going to be Monte Bianco white. I figured that will be a paint that's easy to maintain when you get stone chips, rust or whatever. And I think it will look good when it gets old and you get some wear and tear on it. So next thing is to paint this, and then we can start to put all of this together again. Okay, now the painting is done. And I think it came out okay. It's not perfect, but made by me in my garage, I think it's okay. I'm going to do some polishing to get a little better surface. But like this is the side panel that was damaged when this is the side panel that was damaged when I crashed. So this is not even all the way. You can see some dents here. But I put a sticker there for now, and then I can change this later on. So some polishing. I will do that later. Now I can start to put this back together and see how it looks. I'm going to put in a new speedo because the old one was behaving mysteriously. And the fuel gauge didn't work correctly, so this is the new one. So I think this is a chromed rim here. And I will have chromed indicator lenses and so on. So I think this will be good. I've got a new nice badge here, and then I'm going to put this back. And as you can see, this used to be black once upon a time. Now it's gray. So here's a little tip for you. Take your heat gun and heat this up carefully. And don't use too much heat. You have to be careful. Otherwise it will obviously melt. Here you can see the difference. I've done half of this. So just by some heat, this will go back to its original color. And you can use this on plastic parts on cars or whatever. The side trims that will go gray with age. I'm going to do this corner also. So it looks better now. I rather have a black one, but this is the original one and it was dark gray from the beginning. So now I'll do the last and then I'll put this in place. Now that's nice. It's looking a lot better, I think. I've been putting in some new rubbers here on the glove compartment. These. Now I'm going to put in a new lock here with a new key, because before I had one key that fit to the ignition and didn't fit here, and it didn't fit to the seat or anything. So I bought 3 new locks so I can have the same key to everything. So I'm going to put that in here. And here is also a part that didn't come out too well from the painting. I'll fix this later on. That's not a problem. As you can see here, I need to polish this to get a bit better surface. I should have put on more paint, but it's okay. I'm going to change all the locks, so I also changed the ignition lock. So I got, as I said, the same key to everything. The chrome trim is in place and indicators, some rubber parts, the ignition. I'm putting in this floor cover here, and then I'm going to do something that I'm not looking forward to, and that is to try to get all the electric wiring back in this tube. I don't think that will be very funny. Okay, that was no fun, but now it's through and I can pull all my cables out where they belong. So that's my next step here. And that will be it for this time. And the next time we will continue with rest, I guess. See you!